Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Brett's Brain. Today I'm going to tell you something that I didn't do a very good job of when I was a founder, but it's something that's really important for all entrepreneurs to think about while you're building and scaling your business. I think everybody recognizes the value of mentors and advisors and people around you that can help support you through your entrepreneurial journey. The problem is, too many entrepreneurs think that people are going to proactively come at you with advice or offers for help. That's just not the case. People are busy, especially the kind of people that you want helping you. If you really want to leverage mentors and advisors, you have to be the catalyst. You have to proactively go out and talk to people, go out and ask for help. It's not going to fall in your lap. If you're not proactive about asking for help, it's certainly not going to come to you. And then once you're in front of those people and you have that meeting, there's all kinds of great tips and tricks you can follow, which we've talked about in the past. But number one thing just to get started is you have to be proactive. You have to make it happen.